Given that Tesla has been a top automaker for a while, investors are interested in learning how much money they may make from this business. Although it's never guaranteed, a number of market variables may influence a stock's prospective value in the future. Welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock, everyone. Without a question, Tesla is a unique corporation. The manufacturer of EVs has expanded greatly in recent years and is still operating at a very high level. In recent months, the company's stock has routinely topped charts, and there is more potential growth ahead that might soon send the stock price skyrocketing. Analysts and investors have given Tesla multiple price goals throughout the years, the most of which have been optimistic. Many analysts have given Tesla's stock a strong buy rating because they think it will provide investors with significant profits in the years to come. So how much may this automaker actually be worth in 2026, taking into account its historical performance, current growth potential, and future prospects? Let's investigate. To remain up to date on all things Tesla, remember to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell before we get started. There have previously been both positive and negative price projections for Tesla's shares. Like any stock, though, Tesla's price performance in the future is mostly determined by its historical success as well as its present and future market potential. With revenue of $18.8 billion in the first quarter of this year, up 42% from the same period last year, Tesla has done well in this area. Tesla suffered a decline in revenue to $16.9 billion in the second quarter of the year despite difficulties with its car delivery systems, but it still outperformed its rivals in terms of production. Despite growing competition in the EV market, Tesla had a rise in car deliveries of almost 81% in 2021. Given these accomplishments, it's difficult to not anticipate even bigger things from Tesla in the future. After discussing Tesla's recent accomplishments, let's look at its stock and its prospective value in around 4 years. Let's look at Tesla's performance over the last 4 years to determine its potential value in 2026. Tesla's car deliveries increased at an average pace of 69% between 2016 and 2021. Tesla may be able to produce 1,107,750 vehicles this year, up from 936,000 in 2021 and 1,404,000 in 2022, if a more cautious growth rate of 50% is assumed in 2026. By multiplying this amount by the projected $50,000 average cost of a Tesla vehicle, it is possible for Tesla to make a sizable $355,387,500,000 in income by 2026. While the current average price of a Tesla vehicle is marginally more than the approximation utilized in this analysis, we expect both inflation and Tesla's production costs to decline. Tesla's operating income might reach $77,077,500,000 if its operating margin stays at 20%. By dividing this by the 1.4 billion outstanding shares of Tesla, the carmaker may be able to reach $71 in earnings per share (EPS). Tesla's P/E ratio is 46.08, and its forward P/E ratio is 97.68 as of the time of this video. By multiplying these by the estimated EPS, it is possible that the share price of Tesla will be approximately $3,300 in 2026. How much money might you make if you had Tesla shares right now and they reached this price by 2026? Tell us in the comments section below. In order to ensure that you don't miss our weekly updates, remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications if you haven't already. There are a number of market reasons that might propel Tesla's shares to this target price. Based on its present production outputs and revenues from various markets, Tesla appears to be doing successfully. The business might have to increase production even more across all of its gigafactories, though. With ambitions to open more, Tesla now runs 6 of these plants in the US, Germany, and China. Tesla is investing in raising output across all of its plants, even in the face of manufacturing problems, especially in its Shanghai facility. In a previous statement, Musk alluded to the potential for another gigafactory to be constructed in Canada during Tesla's annual shareholder meeting. Although he said this in jest, many Tesla fans think the firm might hit this milestone if it so chooses. Not only that, but Musk also said in August that Tesla might construct 10 or 12 more gigafactories in the upcoming years, with each facility planned to produce 1.5 to 2 million cars annually. This ambition mirrors Tesla's goal of producing 20 million electric vehicles by 2030. This ambitious objective is in line with Musk's earlier predictions, like Tesla's successful goal of producing 500,000 cars by 2020. Tesla might have manufactured a sizable number of these vehicles by 2026, which would have increased the value of its shares. Tesla is dedicated to boosting output at its current plants in addition to growing new gigafactories. Its Texas plant reached a weekly production rate of 1,000 automobiles, and its Shanghai unit recently broke the 1 million car manufacturing mark. Even though it hasn't yet surpassed its weekly target of 5,000 cars, these accomplishments indicate that Tesla is moving in the right direction to become the undisputed leader in the EV market. It is evident that the EV market is growing quickly due to new competitors. Nonetheless, Tesla stands apart from other EV producers due to its commanding market position. Tesla has hit benchmarks with remarkable growth and profit margins that would take years for rival automakers to equal. In the global EV markets, Tesla has the highest customer satisfaction rating, demonstrating its dominance in the sector. By 2026, Tesla's stock price may realize its predicted worth if it keeps increasing production and optimizing its delivery procedures. Given Tesla's history, it makes sense to assume that it will continue to grow throughout the ensuing 4 years, particularly given its continued investments in solar energy, batteries, and other profitable endeavors. Remember that the growth rate we utilize for Tesla in this video is 50% conservative, which is less than the company's prior phenomenal growth. Tesla has accomplished this in the past and has the potential to do so once again. What do you think about Tesla's 2026 price goal? Is it overpriced, or can it attain this milestone? Tell us in the comments section below. Additionally, click the video on your screen to keep up to current on Tesla's most recent advances while you're here. I'll see you over there. Please ask if you need any more changes or if you have any more text to edit.